Finding the right dirt bike as a beginner can feel tricky, but 2025 brings some amazing options built for both fun and confidence. From light, easy-to-ride models to powerful bikes that grow with your skills, these are the top 11 best dirt bikes for beginners. Number 11. Honda CRF230S. Smooth rides start with a bike that knows how to balance power and control, and that's exactly what the Honda CRF230S delivers. Its 250 cubic centimeter air-cooled single-cylinder engine produces steady, reliable strength that's easy for beginners to handle. The fuel injection system makes cold start simple while also keeping fuel use efficient, so every ride feels smooth and stress-free. With a 5-speed transmission, shifting is straightforward, giving riders confidence as they get comfortable on trails. Comfort and handling are where this bike really shines. The ProLink rear suspension and Showa 41mm front fork absorb bumps with ease, keeping rides stable even on rough ground. At 265 pounds with a manageable 34.8-inch seat height, you've got a dirt bike built to grow with you as your skills improve. Number 10. Suzuki DR-Z400SM. Energy meets style in the Suzuki DR-Z400SM, a supermoto designed for riders who want excitement with confidence. Its 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine delivers smooth, responsive power, while fuel injection and ride-by-wire throttle make control precise at every twist. The lightweight twin-spar steel frame paired with an aluminum subframe keeps the bike agile yet durable, giving riders a strong sense of balance. Whether you're starting out or sharpening skills, the DR-Z400SM makes every ride feel controlled and enjoyable. At 340 pounds with a 35-inch seat height, it feels approachable without sacrificing performance. With sharp aesthetics and LED lighting, this bike doesn't just perform, it stands out wherever it goes. Number 9. KTM 250S XF. Few bikes make power feel this smooth, and the KTM 250S XF proves it every time you hit the throttle. Its 249.9 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine pumps out 46.8 horsepower, giving riders speed and strength while keeping control friendly. With the engine tilted slightly backward, balance and cornering feel natural, letting you ride with confidence. Its steel chassis provides durability, while dual disc brakes ensure strong, reliable stopping power. With electric start, a 5-speed transmission, and a 7.2-liter fuel tank, the KTM 250S XF mixes pro-level performance with approachable design, making it a perfect motocross partner for riders eager to push their limits. Number 8. Honda XR150L. Adventure feels effortless with the 2025 Honda XR150L, a dual-purpose bike built to handle both city streets and rugged trails. Its 149 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine delivers smooth, fuel-efficient power, making it approachable for beginners and reliable for everyday use. At just 282 pounds, it feels light and easy to maneuver, while the 32.8-inch seat height keeps it comfortable for a wide range of riders. And that's not all. Its 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels provide excellent grip, while the steel frame ensures durability. Safety comes from a drilled front disc brake that performs well even in wet conditions. With street-ready mirrors, turn signals, and a practical rear carrier, this bike brings everyday convenience to off-road capability. Number 7. Kawasaki KLX230S. Sometimes the best rides are the ones that don't make you choose between the street and the trail, and that's where the Kawasaki KLX230S shines. With its 233 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, it delivers reliable torque and smooth power that adapts easily to changing conditions. The lightweight perimeter frame keeps handling agile, while long travel suspension with a 37mm telescopic fork and Unitrack rear shock makes rough terrain feel less intimidating. With smartphone connectivity through the Rideology app, a modern LCD display, and sharp KX-inspired styling, The KLX230S is more than just a dual sport. It's a bridge between weekday commutes and weekend adventures. Number 6. Husqvarna TC125. Light, fast, and built to compete. The Husqvarna TC125 proves that big thrills can come from a smaller engine. Its 124.8 cubic centimeters two-stroke power plant weighs just 39.46 pounds, yet delivers impressive strength, backed by electronic fuel injection for crisp throttle response. With 2 engine maps, riders can switch between smoother delivery for packed trails or aggressive bursts for sand and rougher ground. Handling is where this bike truly shines. A lightweight chromium molybdenum steel frame keeps it agile, while WP-X-ACT suspension front and rear smooth out jumps and bumps with precision. Brembo hydraulic brakes provide dependable stopping power, giving riders full control at high speeds. Number 5. KTM 300XCW. When the trail gets tough, the KTM 300XCW is ready to answer. Its 293 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine with electronic fuel injection delivers strong low and mid-range torque, giving riders the power to climb steep hills and tackle technical terrain with confidence. Weighing just 234 pounds, this bike feels agile and responsive, while its chromoly steel double cradle frame provides the strength and durability needed for aggressive off-road riding. The 6-speed wide-ratio transmission adapts smoothly from tight trails to open sections, keeping control effortless. Riding comfort and precision come from WP Explore Pro suspension, with a 48mm front fork and PDS rear shock that are fully adjustable. Brembo hydraulic brakes offer reliable stopping power, and features like an electric start and titanium FMF power core silencer make it race-ready. Number 4. Yamaha TTR230. When a dirt bike feels like your best trail buddy, you know you've found the right one, and that's the Yamaha TTR230. Its 223 cubic centimeters air-cooled 4-stroke engine delivers smooth, predictable power that helps beginners gain confidence while still keeping things exciting for more experienced riders. With a 6-speed transmission, gear changes feel easy and controlled whether you're cruising a flat track or weaving through forest trails. Full-size 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels with knobby tires dig into the dirt for great grip, while the low seat height makes it approachable for more riders. Add in hydraulic disc brakes for secure stopping, and the TTR230 is a trail companion built for adventure. Number 3. Suzuki DR-Z125L. Learning to ride feels a lot more fun when the bike is built with beginners in mind, and that's where the Suzuki DR-Z125L shines. Its 124 cubic centimeters air-cooled 4-stroke engine delivers smooth and manageable power, giving new riders the confidence to grow their skills without being overwhelmed. With digital CDI ignition, starts are quick and reliable, while the 5-speed transmission and easy pull clutch make shifting simple and controlled. A lightweight steel frame ties it all together, keeping the bike durable and easy to handle on trails. With front disc and rear drum brakes for safe stopping and a skid plate to protect the engine, the DR-Z125L is the perfect entry bike for young or smaller riders ready to explore off-road. Number 2. Beta 200RR. Agility meets raw 2-stroke power in the Beta 200RR, a dirt bike built for riders who want excitement packed into a lightweight frame. Its 190.2 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine produces 33.4 horsepower, giving it quick acceleration and sharp throttle response that feels lively on every ride. The molybdenum steel frame with a double cradle design adds strength and precision, while the lowered seat height makes the bike easier to handle through tight trails and challenging terrain. Modern features like an electric start, an adjustable power valve, and a coolant overflow system keep performance consistent and rider-friendly. Light, responsive, and race-ready, the Beta 200RR offers the perfect mix of agility and power for riders eager to push their skills to the next level. Number 1. Honda CR500. When power meets history, you get the legend of the Honda CR500, a motocross icon that still turns heads decades after production ended. Its 499 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine was known for delivering explosive torque and over 65 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful dirt bikes of its time. Riders respected its raw, untamed strength, but also knew it demanded skill and control to handle properly. Built with a lightweight steel frame and simple suspension compared to today's machines, the CR500 was never about convenience. It was about pure adrenaline. Kickstart only and carbureted, it lacked the modern comforts of fuel injection or electric start, but that's exactly what gave it its wild personality. Even today, restored CR500s remain sought after, reminding riders of an era when motocross was all about raw power and fearless riding.